You're welcome. Today I would like to show you this handbag. I use this leather part from the top and I sew my handles with this way and the back here. This crochet pattern seems like knit, and I have add linen with zipper inside and make another pocket here. If you like, you don't have to add zipper here, you can use it with this way, and it seems a little bit different. And we have leather base also, and I used 4 skeins of yarn for this. Let's see how to make it. For today's bag I'll use this yarn, 1 leather base, and this to close our bag, and of course our hooks. I'll use small one at the beginning and then I'll use another one. Let's begin. I'll make a knot here with stitch like this, and I'll insert my hook here, and I have my first loop, and then I'll make chains. Making the chains all around of our base. Like this. I'm at the end of the row. I have changed my hook to the 4, and now I'll insert my hook at the next stitch here, yarn over, pull through from 2 together, 1 chain, and then here 2 single crochet. At the next 1 single crochet, at the corner these three will be with 2 double crochet, 1, 2, here again 1, 2, and 1, 2, and then just 1 here, 2 at the next, and 1 again. So we will crochet with 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, except the corners, these 3 stitches with 2 single crochet in each stitch, in each chain. We will finish our work, our row, and I'll meet you there. I am at the end of the first row. Now I'll join my work with slip stitch, 1 chain, and single crochet in the same stitch. We will do single crochet in each stitch, and only at the corners we will make from 2 double crochets. Here 1, I'm at the corner, this is the corner, and these 3 stitches will be with 2 single crochet, 2, the corner with 2, and the other side of the corner 2. And now I'll continue with single crochet in each stitch until the corner. Okay, Now I'm at the end of the second row. I'm not going to join my row. I'll keep going crocheting, and here I'll make single crochet at the first stitch, and then I'll add stitch marker here. Then I'll make single crochet at the back loop. Single crochet, single crochet at the back loop. Single crochet here, and we alternate this with until the end of the row. Single crochet and single crochet at the back loop. Here, as you see, the single crochet is a little bit bigger, and it's the single crochet at the back loop is hiding something, hiding. Keep doing this until the end of the row. I am at the end of my third row. Now I have to make single crochet at the back loop. We've done it. And then I remove my marker. And now I'll make single crochet, but not regularly. I'll insert my hook in the single crochet from the previous row, here, in the middle, and make single crochet. And then I'll place my stitch marker. Then I have single crochet at the back loop. I'll make one single crochet at the back loop. I have the single crochet, and I insert my hook here in the middle of the previous one, here, and at the back side here, and make single crochet. Single crochet at the back loop, single crochet in the middle of the previous single crochet, and we will make some lines here. And my bag will have lines here. We'll keep doing this all around until our bag has the height we need. Our bag is about 10 inches. So I'll stop crocheting, and now I'll make the last row with single crochet in every stitch. Here we go. We'll keep doing this all around, and we will finish our bag. You see the difference? Now I have finished with single crochet, and I'll make one more row with a slip stitch. Here, all around, and it will look like this. It will be thicker than the usual one here, and it gives it more stability. My bag has almost finished. I have had this catcher here. It's open like this, and I sew linen later, and I sew my catcher here like this, and I add stitch markers to the both sides, and then I'll sew my here, and my base is about leather base is 9 inches to 4. And as I said, I'll sew my handles here and our bag is ready. Thank you for watching. See you at the next video. Bye.